So the question number 1, what is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha as fixed by the Constitution of India? Option number A is the correct answer, 550. Question number 2, who presides over joint sittings of both houses of parliament convened under Article 108? Option number B is the correct answer, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 3, what is the minimum age required for a person to be eligible for the election to the Rajya Sabha? Option number C, 30 years. 4, money bills can be introduced only in which house of parliament according to the Article 109? 5. Under Article 249, who has the exclusive power to authorize Parliament to make laws on a subject in the state list in national interest? Option number A, Rajya Sabha. 6. The quorum required to constitute a sitting of either House of Parliament is what fraction of the total number of members? Option number B, 1/10. 7. How many members are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha for their contribution to art, literature, science, and social service? Option number C, 12. 8. What is the tenure of individual members of the Rajya Sabha? Option number D, 6 years. 9. Which parliamentary motion is used to draw the attention of the House to a matter of urgent public importance? Option number A is the correct answer, adjournment motion. 10. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha submits his or her resignation letter to the option number B, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 11. Which article of the Constitution deals with the creation or abolition of all India services by the Rajya Sabha? Option number C is the correct answer, Article 312. Question number 12. What maximum time period can the Rajya Sabha delay a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha? Option number D, 14 days. 13. Which article grants original jurisdiction to the Supreme Court in disputes between the center and states or between states? Original jurisdiction. Option number A is the correct answer, Article 131. 131. 14. What is the maximum retirement age for a judge of the High Court in India? Option number B, 62 years. 15. The concept of public interest litigation in the Indian judiciary was introduced by which eminent judge? Option number C, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. 16. High courts in India are designated as court of record under which article of the Constitution? Option number D, Article 215. 17. The power of judicial review in India is based on the principle of option number A, procedure established by law. 18. Who appoints the judges of the high courts in India? Option number B, President of India. 19. Under which article can a high court issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights and other legal rights? Option number C, Article 226. Question number 20. The Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on which date? Option number D, 28th January 1950. 21. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Option number A, Calcutta High Court. 22. A judge of the Supreme Court can resign from office by writing to the option number B, President of India. 23. Which is the oldest High Court in India? Option number C, Calcutta High Court. 24. What is the maximum retirement age for a judge of the Supreme Court of India? Option number D, 65 years. 25. The executive power of the state is vested in the governor under which article of the Constitution? Option number A, Article 154. 26. Who can abolish or create a legislative council Vidhan Parishad in a state under Article 169? Option number B, Parliament of India by law after State Assembly passes a resolution. 27. What is the minimum age limit to be appointed as the governor of an Indian state? Option number C, 35 years. 28. An ordinance promulgated by the governor under Article 213 must be approved by the state legislature within. Option number D, 6 weeks from its reassembly. 29. How many members of the state legislative council are nominated by the governor? Option number A, 1/6 of the total strength. 30. The governor holds office during the pleasure of the. Option number B, President of India. 31. What is the maximum strength permitted for a legislative assembly of a state? Option number C, 500. 32. Who among the following administers the oath of the office to the governor of a state? Option number D, Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. 33. The contingency fund of state is operated under the authority of the. Option number A, Governor of the state. 34. What is the minimum required strength for a state legislative assembly Vidhan Sabha as per the constitution? Option number B, 60. 35. Under Article 200, when a bill passed by the state legislature is presented to the governor, he or she may reserve the bill for the consideration of the president. Option number C is the correct answer. 36. Which landmark commission was constituted in 1983 to examine and review the working of existing arrangements between the union and states? Option number D, Sakaria Commission. 37. The power to legislate on residuary subjects of topics not listed in union, state, or concurrent lists rests with the. Option number A, Parliament of India. 38. The Interstate Council was set up in 1990 under which article of the Constitution? Option number B, Article 263. 39. Which article empowers Parliament to enact laws on subject in the state list to implement international treaties? Option number C, Article 253. 40. Financial relation between the center and the states are primarily governed by provisions under which part of the Constitution? Financial relation. Option number D, Part 12. 41. Under Article 262, who has the authority to adjudicate disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys? Option number A, Parliament, by law setting up water dispute tribunals. 42. Which article allows Parliament to create a common high court for two or more states? Option number B, Article 231. 43. Financial emergency can be declared by the President under which article? Option number C, Article 360. 44. Taxes on agriculture income fall under which list of the 7th schedule? Option number D is the correct answer, state list. 45. Which constitutional article empowers the President to impose President's rule in a state due to the failure of the constitutional? Option number A, Article 356. 46. Under the 101st Constitutional Amendment Act 2016, the Goods and Service Tax Council was formed under which article? GST. Option B, Article 279A. 47. Who acts as the chairman of the Interstate Council? Option C, Prime Minister of India. 48. The Finance Commission, which recommends the distribution of tax revenues between the center and the states, is constituted under Article Dash. Finance Commission. Option number D is the correct answer, Article 280. 49. In case of conflict between a center law and a state law on a subject in the concurrent list, which law prevails? Option number A, the central law prevails. 50. The Punchi Commission 2007 was appointed to review which aspect of Indian governance? Center-state relation. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video.